So we're here with the tailgate assist again, and we've got the broken plastic bushing, and there's three reasons why this can fail. One being that the hinge is actually seized. When that seizes, it won't rotate, so your tailgate just breaks that plastic hinge. The other being that the shock inside here isn't dampening anymore, and it's letting the tailgate down too hard, and that will cause it to break as well. And the third reason being that it's a cheap plastic part and a poor design and will eventually break anyways. So previously I've replaced the hinge because I did have it seized. I've also replaced the shock in here because it did stop dampening. I've had that break on me once when it was seized, and the fix to fix this, hopefully permanently, is this aluminum bushing, and I got this from Dude Little. He's on Titan Talk, so search for tailgate bushing or tailgate assist bushing. He made this and sent it to me, so it's less than the cost of a new hinge, so it's well worth it. So first step is going to be to remove the tailgate, and that's pretty straightforward, but mind your camera wires. That's the most important step, is if you really get that, you could do some damage. So the plastic part is a piece that breaks, and that actually stuck into the tailgate. I just pulled it out, so we don't have to worry about it removal. That was easy. And the new piece is just going to fit over there like that, and it fits well. So we'll get our tailgate back on. Simple as that. Okay, new bushing's installed. It's nice and snug. It's not sloppy or loose at all. It's perfect. Very happy with that. And we have our easy up and easy down back again. So thank you very much. And like I said, look up this bushing. It's on Titan Talk, the online forum. Thank you for sending me that bushing, Dude Little.